So live share, how do you set up, live share, live server, how do you set it up? So what you do is you go into your search for extensions and you type in live server, okay? And then you'll find that you have the different options here. This is the one we're going for right here, okay? And then you click install. I already have it installed. If I go back to my live extensions here, you'll see it's enabled, which makes it so that I have this go live down at the bottom. So if you're inside your work folder like this, and just close that extension, you can click it and open it if you like, but you don't have to. You click go live and it will open your browser, your default browser, the first one it can grab, usually the last one that you used. Okay, let's see here. You'll see this server started on port 55. That's right here. Okay, this number is a default number. Also, the browser will recognize this too. So if you don't remember the number, don't worry, it won't matter. Okay. So go down here, close that, and you'll see again, it shows the port there. Okay. So then you open your HTML, you add the search. Let's actually make this a little bit smaller just to focus purely on the code for a moment. So we're going to make the code, change the code. Let's bring this over here. There we go. So let's pick this one right here. Let's add a whole bunch of exclamation marks because the fact that it's consulting firm is huge. There we go. Okay. And then when you're done with it, you do this. You turn it off. But for each one of your changes here that you make, don't worry. You don't have to restart it. Just run it for the entire time you're working on that project. And when you're done and you're going to close your browser, you click this. It'll say disposing of the server. Server is now offline. If you go refresh, the site can't be reached because the server is gone. Okay? And that's it.